Are you ready to relax and release tension in your shoulders and traps? In this tutorial, we'll show you how to use the KOAPRO Massage Tools to improve circulation, range of motion, and pain management. Start by warming up your muscles with a few minutes of cardio or stretches to get your blood flowing and prepare your body for massage. We recommend using KOAPRO Massage Tools on bare skin with oil or over form-fitting clothing. Always begin with light pressure to warm up the tissue. You can use back and forth massage strokes in different directions and angles, covering the back, sides, and front of your traps and shoulders to allow for a full release. If you notice a sensitive area, ease up on the pressure and focus on the surrounding areas. This allows your tissue to decompress as you gradually release tension. You can gradually apply more sustained pressure as needed for deeper tension relief. Be sure to breathe deeply and allow your body and mind to relax and release tension. Listen to your body and do what feels best for each area. Each KOAPRO massage tool has unique features and capabilities for restoring the myofascial tissues in different ways. You can use the KOAPRO end thumbs to release trigger points. Gently press the thumb into and all around the target area to decompress and restore the myofascial tissue. You can also try rotating your shoulders, stretching your arms, and varying your posture and angles as you massage for extra tension release. For best results, we recommend massaging the target area for about 1 to 3 minutes a few times a week. With consistent use, you'll notice less tension, more range of motion, and better performance and recovery. Remember, you can use KOAPRO massage tools anytime you feel discomfort or want to enhance your performance and well-being. For more techniques on other muscle groups, check out our other KOAPRO tutorials. Relax and enjoy your massage while you experience the benefits of using KOAPRO massage tools.